Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to darken light mode Microsoft Outlook in computer. So how to darken light mode Microsoft Outlook in computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To change the display mode in Microsoft Outlook, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a settings icon. And tap. Now here it is in the settings menu. Here there are many menu options that you can use in Microsoft Outlook. Tap on the general menu. And here there are many options. Tap menu appearance. Now in this appearance menu, there is a display mode. Select dark. To change to dark mode. Now here you can see. The display changes to dark mode. Now to restore it, go to the menu earlier appearance. Now here just click select light mode to return to light mode again. So that's it, tutorial how to darken light mode Microsoft Outlook in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.